is Volodymyr Semkiv. I'm sculptor. I'm working here in my studio with my colleague Denis. It's hard to describe this feeling from the first minutes of the war, when everything I did lost its meaning at one point. All my work and all public art that I have done during my life can be destroyed very quickly, but this is not the worst. Worse, I can't work at all. What's the point? Who needs it to if tomorrow you if to who need it if tomorrow may not come? I immediately ask myself, what values are left? The only things I can do is do something I can to win. Be in the moment. This is the only way the brain can work. And when I see everyone around me doing it, it works wonders. It gives fight. Thank you to all the people of the Europe who support us so much. It's so necessary. At the same time, it is often said for your politicians to dance a step forward because your peoples are incredible in their awareness of good and evil, and a step back in the fear to this lying draft, closing the skies, planes for Ukraine, and especially membership in the European Union.